Right there. There. Tiny little bit down there. Some over there. Other than that, oh, maybe a little bit there. But that stuff and that stuff, easy. Sort that out, but this side, she's looking clean. Nice. Nice. No pits. Nice. And you can tell that I've really got to touch that up. Right, that's why I sanded it. So I want to get it back to bare metal so that I can actually finite scrape it and then come out with the grinder and just go along there and edge that out, fix that up. I want that to be more of a pronounced flick and this here to be more of a pronounced flick. Like this has to be way much smoother. But that's got the right curvature in it. That's the right crescent. So I'll leave that as it is, but it'll be just a touch up. Majorly stuffed up, I mean, yeah. Next one that I'm doing is I'm going to be making it out of a 1.2 meter crosscut saw. I'll show you the link, I'll show you the one of them trade me just the other day. So this here be the 1.2 crosscut meter saw, 1.2 meter crosscut saw, and get that one stuffed up, didn't I now? She be looking like a nice one. Lovely amount of rust. I got it for 45, so all good. So that's the other one that I'll be working on. And making it out of that one. You can see I really stuffed up there. Didn't go too far and didn't follow along my line. Real bad, but it was just a rough cut. But yeah. I'm also wanting to be making a little knife letter opener out of this. This is tiny as. Here's something for reference. There we go. Yeah. I got it off the saw when I was cutting it, so you can see how it naturally just curves up and it's nice and straight along there. It's a bit of a gouge from the grinder, but it's just that perfect enough. I mean, just perfect enough. The tip is oh so nice. And get a good shot of that. Yep, she needs to be cleaned. Beautiful though.